Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I am going to show you how to cancel your Livecareer subscription in 2025 quickly and easily. Whether you are done building your resume or just want to avoid recurring charge, this step-by-step guide will help you cancel with no confusion. Let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to the Livecareer websites. Here you can see on my screens here Livecareer websites. Then click on sign in the top right. Here you can see this my profile and corner. Enter your login details, your email and passwords. Once you are logged in, you will land on your dashboard. Now click on your profile. Here you can see on my profile or icon or your name in the top right corner. From the drop down menu, select my account. Here you can see or account settings. Here you can see the general account settings. Then once inside your account settings, look for the section level subscription. Here you can see this subscription or billing, and this is where you will manage your plan. So now you should see your current subscription details including the next billing date and amount. So look for an option that says cancels and cancel subscription or stop auto renewal. So click on it and follow the prompts. Livecareer might ask for a reason or try to offer a discount to stay, but just continue through the steps. Make sure you confirm cancellation on the final page. This step is important. Check for confirmation email after cancellation. You should receive a confirmation email from Livecareer. It will say something like your subscription has been successfully cancelled and you will not renew. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder. So hold on to this email just in case there's a billing issue later. And the cancels by phone or chat, having troubles cancelling online, and you can also cancel your subscription by connecting Livecareer customer service. So here you can customer service at livecareer.com and the number is given there. So cancel at least 24 hours before your billing date to avoid being charged again. You can still access your account after cancelling. You just won't be billed. Always save your resume or cover letter files before cancelling if you won't be returning. And that's it. So you have now successfully cancelled your Livecareer subscription in 2025. Hope you are enjoying this video, and if you have found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe the channels.